everyone, today I will show you how to make this stunning butterfly top pattern. So let's get right into it. We start by marking the main points on our pattern paper. First I marked my shoulder line, then marked 7 inches for the upper bust from the shoulder line, then 10 inches for the bust, 13 inches for the underbust and 15 inches for the waistline. You can skip the underbust, it is not needed here. On the upper bust line, you will divide your bust round by 4. In my case, bust size is 34 inches, so 34 divided by 4 is 8.5 inches. I marked that on the upper bust line. Next, take your bust separation, measure and divide it by 2. For me, it was 7 inches, so half of that is 3.5 inches. I marked 3.5 inches on both the bust line and the waistline so that I can create that. Now we will create a 1-inch dart on each side of the bust separation line. Mark 0.5 inches, then connect those to form the dart. Now for the waist, take your waist round and divide it by 4. My waist size is 28 inches, so 28 divided by 4 is 7 inches. I marked that on the waistline, then added 1 inches for the dart, making it a total of 8 inches, and no seam allowance will be added in this project. Once all the marking are done, cut off any excess paper around the pattern but leave enough space for the butterfly shape to fit, and then close the dart using tape to secure it in a place. Now comes the fun part, drawing the butterfly shape. Take your time and draw a design that you are happy with. And once you are satisfied with the shape, trace over it with a pen to finalize it. Now carefully cut out the butterfly shape. Once it's cut, open the dart again and your butterfly top pattern is ready for the next step. And that's it. Your butterfly top pattern is all set to be used. Let me know in the comment if you try this, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Shamish Learning for more fun tutorials. See you next time. Bye bye. Take care.